Boom! The markets go higher. My name is D7 here at Grok, a trade. It's Hump Day, Wednesday, September 28th, 2016. Markets in the day in bullish territory. Small caps up the most, 0.77 in the positive. Banks, financials do similar. Crude oil, huge pop, up 5%. We'll look at that. Gold down, silver higher, and VIX down 1.7%. Here we are looking at the S&P 500. Here's the deal. We called for a buy yesterday in this symmetrical triangle. Today, boom, to the upside. We started off bearish. We were bearish today all day until the end of the day, and then up, closing just a smidgen above this trend line. This could be set up for another major move to the upside, guys. We have the 50-day moving average coming across here on the spider, and that could be resistance. So very interested to see what happens on Thursday, tomorrow. Very, very interesting. Dow, boom, higher. There it is. There it is. There's a lot of upside opportunity here. NASDAQ, it did go higher, not by as much. Really kind of weak compared to the others. But nonetheless, we did go higher here. Because of this, I need to put a buy on that. And small caps, so we have a buy, boom, higher, above all major moving averages. Looking pretty good. Banks, I have a buy on yesterday, boom, we do go higher. We're at resistance. We're getting ready to hit a sell because I think we're going to hit resistance and stall out. We'll see. Financials, we had this head and shoulders. Look at this, shoulder, head and shoulder. Remember, this is only valid. Again, this is financials, XLF, financials, ETF. This head and shoulder is only valid if the neckline here gets pierced. Technically, this neckline could go right there and then here. So that would make more sense with the neckline coming across. And we broke it. However, we immediately came back. I'm telling you, the last 2 days, guys, has defied logic and gravity. It's just psycho crazy to see what we're seeing, and it just shows the outside influences helping the markets here. So I'm gonna get rid of this head and shoulders because it's no longer head and shoulders. Now I have to call it a buy at this moment. Just insane. I've been trading 18 years, and to see these about faces and where they're taking places, it's just breaking all the rules on technical analysis. As you know, if you've been following me, technical analysis works like a charm. I'm the only person out there that I know of who actually calls the market and just says this is what to expect. And I put my buy and sells out there. And you see it with your own eyes. That's why we have so many followers, which I appreciate each and every one of you. I really do. Crude oil. We hit support. Remember I said support, be watching, be a good chance that that's going to pop right off of support. Watch for oil to go higher, and sure enough it did. So there's my buy. Boom! Stopping right at resistance. Right at resistance, went up and hit this trend line. It's not by accident. Where you see these highs and lows is because of where my trend lines are drawn. They are drawn just perfectly. Perfectly. And if you draw them perfectly, you're going to line up very, very nicely. We teach this in great detail in the mentorship. Oh, by the way, in the mentoring, if you go to Grok Trade, we're doing a webinar, free webinar on Saturday morning. Learn to trade. This is very basic course. It's a 101 course, but it's an hour and a half. And we're going to be putting a lot of information out there. So anybody that you know that doesn't know anything about trading or wants to know a little bit about trading or thinks that they want to be a trader, take this course. So go to Grok Trade. Scroll down just a little bit. Learn to trade. Click this link. Sign up. Enroll. And that's this Saturday. For you guys who are traders and you're ready to rock and roll and make some money in your trading, you need to master your trading. Click that link. So those are 2 links you want to click on. Gold has drop. I'm expecting that to go higher. I'm expecting this to go higher. So that is what I'm expecting on a short term. But then it's anybody's guess if we're going to break up or down out of the symmetrical triangle, expect a huge pop or a drop. It's going to happen. Here, I expect it to go higher, and sure enough, we're set up for that. I'm going to call it a buy already. You know what? I'm not going to do that yet. I need to wait. Be a good boy and wait. So there it is. I'm expecting, I said it yesterday, I expect it to go higher. That's what I expect to happen. So look for bullish activity in gold and silver. Where'd you hear it? You heard it here, where you get the very best of technical analysis. Now, right now, go to Grok Trade. If you just want some free basic courses, you can fill out the form here. We'll email them to you. But Saturday, if you want an hour and a half of the best trading education that the internet has to give, you want to join that. And when you're ready to ratchet things up and hit the ground running and really trade beyond a mere hobby level, to bring it to a professional level, this is your next step. Click on both of those links, read more, get registered. Catch you later.